Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly live trading room results. Here I discuss all trades and I will show you trades which are already running, which I discussed during my live trading room. There are also two trades which are something different because I took bounce trade there, so I will also show you that. But before, I would like to invite you to visit my website dedicated to my one-on-one mentorship program. Below this video, you will find link to this website. If you are interested, just send me your name and email, and I will get back to you. We will schedule free call. And I will see if I can help you, how I can help you. If you are more interested about what exactly we do together, at the bottom you have my mentoring plan and the whole learning process and the short videos when you can understand more. Okay, so now let's go to our charts. First, let's go to UK 100. I took this trade on Friday. It was a bounce trade. On the lower time frames, idea of this was support. We had also trend line, and on the 4-hour chart, as you can see here. By the way, I had short position open here. Two targets were hit, and the last lot was trailed to the break even, and we were stopped out with this trade. I'm not showing Excel file right now with all the pairs because a lot of them are still running. So when I close everything, then I will make also this summary. So we had this strong trend line, as you can see here on the 4-hour chart. Price rejected this zone, so the idea was simple: rejection of this zone, first red candle on the 1-hour chart, entry here, stop loss a little bit bigger, target, you see first target was hit already around this area, second target is here. This is the main goal because expectation is that price will simply make this. Right now price is making opportunities for day traders, scalpers, short scenarios here. Target that. I will see what I will do with the stop loss on Monday, because if price will start to push down, it's good, but we still can have situation that price might retest this and then we'll continue. So if I trail stop loss too fast, I might be stop out. But whenever I close the trade, I will also make this in my summary. So another one is silver. It's going quite nice. This was also bounce trade. So the idea was support area here. We had this trend line here. So if you go to 4-hour chart, idea of this was, you see price just stopped around this. This is 4-hour chart. Around this zone, daily chart was pointing up, weekly chart is pointing up. So this was our first one. 4-hour chart 1 to 3, a little bit missed. I missed my entry. Here is the entry. Stop loss was below. First target was hit. Second target was here. I closed it a little bit earlier when I saw that. On Friday we have NFP, so price started to push. Right now we have just bonus lot running. So currently 400 points are locked. So first target hit, second target hit. Now there is momentum, so I really want to target this previous top. So this might be quite interesting trade. So I think stop loss was 700 points. So this might give us like 3 to 1 or 4 to 1 with our bonus lot. Euro dollar. Also here was a bounce trade, but we discussed this trade in live trading room. Silver and UK was not discussed, but the idea of this trade was that we had this trend line here, yes, and on the 4-hour chart price stopped. You see we have 1, 2, 3 touches on the strong trend line on the daily chart. We had trend line breakout on the 4-hour chart. We started to have higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. New trend line happened. Entry depending order here, and you see the first target was hit here somewhere the second target is still here. This is area where we can also close everything or manage the last lot. Currently, stop losses on the break even. This is our target number 2. So we have to wait. Currently, it's 93 pips profit. Yeah, so we will see it's still climbing up. So I hope it will go there. And at this level, I will decide what to do with the position, or close everything, or trail stop loss, or manage this. I will see. Okay, but this is my point of interest. There is also area of resistance. GBPCAD. This again another trade which was in live. From basically all trades which I will show you now, I explained them in live room, how to prepare, how to trade them. This was support zone. Idea was, of course, also of the weekly chart that price was bouncing on the 12. So idea was to go long. Next area of long-term target is here. So we have chance that price will continue, but we have to pay attention for this zone. Currently price is pushing quite strongly, so it's good for us. Same situation like on the euro dollar, that price stopped, you see, stopped around the daily support zone. And what we had breakout, higher high, higher low, EMA crossover, entry. Stop loss was here. Okay, and now it's trailed. Okay, so the stop loss was 70 pips. Right now it was trailed to 35. First target was hit already. Second target is still here. If price reach this, it will be 3-1. And if you miss the first entry, you had still another chance to enter this. But again, in this case, I would place stop loss below this previous bottom. So let's see what happens. This is, all trades are like a swing trading. Euro New Zealand, a very aggressive trade. This was trade against the main direction. We have this wedge here on the weekly chart. Daily chart stopped around the support zone. We also see that price was struggling around this zone, and then we had this 4-hour chart 1 to 3. This was the entry. This is the stop loss. So as you can see here, still second target was not hit. Currently, no, price is struggling, but the first target was hit. Position is managed, so basically everything, it's profitable trade anyway. Question is if we can get bigger profits or not. No, we are around the situation right now that we can still have this daily short 1 to 3. So basically I can expect this. So that's why stop loss is managed, so no harm done. But maybe if price continue to go up to this level, perfect for us. If not, we can pay attention to reverse the positions and look for selling opportunities. As you can see here, yes, price went up, then went down, and then went up to this zone. So we will see. That's why I was looking for this trade closely, because this area for me, it's I took longs which were aggressive because they are late close to the area of the resistance, but still I managed to reach the first target. Right now I must manage position because I can get this from the higher time frame. Okay, GP Swiss franc, it's idea of the weekly long 1 to 3 here, target of course previous stop on the weekly chart, and then area of this resistance, weekly long 1 to 3. We had this trend line breakout. If we go to 4-hour chart, we had first setup here, but I was not exactly happy because we were still below the daily 36 EMA, so we could still get this, let's say. So that's why I didn't want to jump in. But but it's still possible. But this is early entry. So if you catch this will be very nice right now. Yes. And I took this on the 1-hour chart with bigger stop loss. Okay, because price moved up. We had this 1-hour chart long 1 to 3. So that's why second target is not hit yet. We had this, as you can see, entry, and stop loss was below this trend line. That's why, because if I take it directly on the 1 hour chart, place stop loss here, my first target, second target would be hit. Right now, my second target is still here, as you can see. So that's what the first target was hit. I managed the stop loss. It's also winning trade, or I think break even right now. No, it's a winning trade. It's a winning trade, small profits for now, but there is still potential. You see, 4-hour chart is still strongly pointing up. I didn't trail stop loss to break even because maybe price will, make some spikes, bounce, continuation. So everything is good. So this was mix of 1-hour chart with 4-hour chart stop loss, because you can always do in this way that if you enter on the 1-hour chart, stop loss here. If you are stopped out, then you get 4-hour chart long 1 to 3, and you can look for possible buy scenarios again. Yeah, so second try. And using the Swiss franc, same idea, weekly long 1 to 3. However, this is a little bit struggling right now. Even first target was not hit yet, so we are still waiting. Stop loss was managed. Idea was exactly the same. We had trendline breakout, 4-hour chart long 1 to 3. Entry again, and I missed the entry. It was here. It should be here. Stop loss was here. Right now, stop loss is trailed. Right now, we wait. We have summertime. I hope it will continue. So we wait patiently, and we don't touch anything. There is also this line which is still holding, so that's why stop loss is down here. And to also show you that we all not always have all winning trades, New Zealand dollar trade, losing trade. This resistance zone, the idea again was to look for possible continuations to target this previous bottom after rejection of this area here. Okay, so daily chart was struggling here. We had this small range. We had breakout. We also were below the 36 CMA. So the idea was that price decide to continue, and this was this 4-hour chart, short 1 to 3. Entry stop loss was also managed. Yes, so at least I managed the stop loss because initial stop loss was here, and I cut the position by half, I think so, or a little bit less. I don't remember, but price, you see, everything was quite nice. If I get this, yes, because I wanted to see this rejection, then I will trail stop loss even more. Yes, but then we had news and price just changed direction and we were stopped out. Idea was good. As long as you know what you do, it's okay. Market, of course, it's unpredictable. But as we can see here, there was area of the support. So it seems that maybe price just take into consideration of the support. Now it's pointing up. This was aggressive trade. But anyway, this is how it is. We have losing trade. So if you want to achieve such results or even better, I would like to invite you to my one-on-one mentorship program. You also get access to the advanced trader program, to the live trading room. So I will teach you everything exactly what I showed you here. You can get such results or even better results. If you are interesting about what exactly we do together, of course you can have here prices with simple plan, but of course everything is adjusted to your needs, to your expectations. Of course I pay a lot of attention for mindset part because this is the most important part in terms of the trading. Then we focus on the technical part, planning part, Heikenashi or Renko chart, swing trading, day trading is really up to you. So if you are interested, just let me know. If you have even more questions, just leave your name and email here. I will get back to you. We will speak and we'll see if we can work together or not. Our first call is completely for free, so don't hesitate to send me the message if you have any further questions. So guys, thanks a lot. Wish you all a great weekend and see you soon. Bye.